Today we'll solve one of the very important questions of trigonometry. Trigonometry is highly scoring and students should focus on this because this subject is interrelated with many more subjects. So let's look at the question. The question says 1 plus sec a whole divided by sec a equals to sine square a divided by 1 minus cos a. So we have to prove that the LHS equals to RHS. Left hand side equals to the right hand side. I know you all remember all the identities and the formulas which are associated with the trigonometry chapter. So let's start. Here the question says 1 plus sec a 1 plus sec a divided by sec a equals to sine square a divided by 1 minus cos a. So in these kind of questions, never try that the LHS and RHS should be equal. I mean, they should be equal, but the LHS may lead to one answer and the RHS may lead to similar answer. So if when you start writing the solution to these questions, never be bogged down if the exact this thing is not you don't get it from the left hand side, LHS side. So let's solve it and your doubt will be clear. LHS, here it says that 1 plus sec a divided by sec a. So let's go with the formulas. Sec a is, yes, 1 by cos a divided by sec a is again 1 by cos a. Okay, so let's multiply. Let's do the addition of the numerator. Cos a is the common factor and here it comes cos a plus cos a cancel out, so it's 1 divided by 1 by cos a. Okay, so when you take this numerator into the multiplication side, you remember that the denominator becomes numerator and the numerator becomes the denominator. Let's see it here. Cos a plus 1 by cos a, this is the numerator side, into here the cos a comes off divided by 1. So here cos a cancels out. Cos a plus 1 by 1 is cos a plus 1. Plus 1. So this we are getting from the LHS. So don't be scared if cos a plus 1 is no way, is not equal to sine square a by 1 minus cos a. This is what we have to find out. But see that this we have found out by solving it. Now we have to solve the RHS. If we get cos a plus 1 again, then the LHS becomes RHS. Hope you understand it. Then let's solve the RHS part. What is the RHS part? Is sine square a divided by 1 minus cos a. Okay, we all know that sine square a is, so can you express it in cos format? Yes, you get it right. Sine square a plus cos square a equals to 1. So sine square a equals to 1 minus cos square a. Here it remains 1 by cos A. So 1 minus cos square A, can you again simplify it? Please remember your identities which you have read. Yes, A minus B square. So A minus B square is A square minus B square. Okay, so A square minus B square can be interpreted or can be expressed as A minus B into 1, A plus B. So 1 minus cos A into 1 plus cos A divided by 1 minus cos A. Here, so 1 minus cos A and 1 minus cos A cancels out, so we get as a result 1 minus cos A, so we can express it as cos A plus 1. This is the final outcome of the RHS side. What is the outcome of the LHS side? It is also cos A plus 1. So RHS also cos A plus 1. So we have proved that LHS equals to RHS. So it means that we have got the answer that 1 plus sec A by sec A equals to sin square A by 1 minus cos A. So this is the answer. So what we have, whenever this kind of questions comes, just solve it. If you don't get the exact answer on the RHS side, then